Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to just cover over the Euro US dollar trade of the day, as well as take a look at the cryptocurrency market, because we haven't done that in a while, and I think Bitcoin could be on the verge of having another significant bull run. So let's just take a look at this Euro trade that we did, why we did it, and what's happening currently. So obviously we're in a bit of profit at the minute. The market is moving in our direction. We looked at the 8-hour chart as it gave us the clean opportunity to take with this nice inside bearish pin candle. These are great signs that the sellers have just come back into the market a little bit. So what I was really looking for was yesterday in our Outlook video, we talked about some currency pairs of interest, and euro dollar was one of those for a short opportunity, as I believe that the US dollar is going to get stronger, and the euro is already starting to weaken slightly. So that gives me the opportunity to come and short this currency pair. So then it's all about looking at the technicals. How do the technicals match up, and what can we do to take a position if we can? Because sometimes the market could have just continued in a straight line and we wouldn't have got the technical bias that would line up with our strength and weakness bias, because then it would likely go to the next resistance level and then we'd have to wait for our opportunity at that point. But instead we had this really nice potential lower high forming, which is what I was really looking at. The fact that we came and retested up at this 112 area again gave me the signal that we should be looking for some potential short opportunities. Now, the reason I put my stop loss so far away and not just above this high was the fact that this is the first lower high, which is the sort of not necessarily the riskier move, but it's less likely that the market is going to move immediately in our favour like it has here so far. Because typically what we could have seen is we could have seen us trigger into the market, and then price could have rallied, tested these highs again and formed a double top pattern. So what I really wanted to do was just make sure my stop was above those key swing highs up here. We've got a nice healthy target on this all the way back down into this key support that the market's found before. So what I'll really be watching now and monitoring is if we can take out this low. If the market comes back down into this area, bounces slightly and maybe takes this low out, then I'm happy to continue to hold this trade all the way to our target zone through there. So that's just a little bit of an update to the euro dollar trade and the euro dollar position. As well, we talked about the potential for euro yen short. The market came up into this resistance level and gave it a nice sell opportunity in here, especially on the hourly time frame this morning. There's a really nice short around about the London Open, so there's a good opportunity to get short there. So if you did, well done. I'm still looking for short opportunities on this, but I'm going to just wait a little bit longer just for that added confirmation for me. But again, euro very much in line, looking at those currency pairs that we did in the weekly outlook. Bitcoin for me is an opportunity where we could be looking for longs. Reason being, I'm just going to go to the monthly time frame, zoom in a little bit because we haven't got much data to work with. But essentially what we're seeing here is a retest of a structure point. So the market broke higher, formed this really nice high. It's come back down. Where's it come back to? Previous structure highs. I talk about this all the time. You know, if the market breaks out, I'm looking for that structure play to come back into play. And we can see the market came into this. We had one rejection, two rejection, and the third one, which is really important, is the fact that it came back down to this monthly low, rejected, closed back within this range once again, and also the fact that the range of that candle is quite small compared to the rest. So that to me is showing that maybe the sellers are losing steam here, and the fact that we could see another impulse. So if we do see another impulse, I expect the market to come back up into around about that $12,000 level on Bitcoin. And now the market's taken out this high. I already do have a small long position on this market, or well say long position. I took a buy on or bought some Bitcoin on this fact that we could see a good rally out of this over the next few months. What I like about this as well, again, Just going down and looking at it from a technical point of view, the market is forming a head and shoulders pattern. Real nice reversal setup. So we've got the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. Where does the right shoulder find support? Back at this left shoulder area. Perfect opportunity to look for that long position. The market is now broken higher, so if you're looking for longs on this on a CFD, I'd wait for a pullback continuation trade on this. But Bitcoin's looking quite good for a small investment so far. You can look to add in as the price moves. So thanks for watching this video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more trading content. Comment below what you want to see out of these videos as we're into 2020. Just want to say as well, Happy New Year. Thank you for the support that we've received on the YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. I'll speak to you very soon.